What's going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage, and today in this video we'll be unpacking this little bit of mail we got. At any time during the video you find it interesting, I'd appreciate it if you consider hitting the thumbs up button and subscribing for more content alike. So without further ado, I think this is a job for the Buck 119. Haven't seen it in a while. The blade is still mighty fine. Oh, didn't mean to bump the camera there, but the blade is mighty fine. I don't know if we can get a focus in on that possibly. Let's see. There we go. It's a Buck 119 plus. Knife's doing good. Sheath's doing good. We've got a little use out of it. So let's dive in. I think I'm going to be safe to cut it right here. Make sure we don't cut through the the item in here. That would not be good. So yeah, I think that's going to be good enough. Put the knife away, and there we go. Alrighty, let's see, what did we buy online? Let's see. Ta-da! No. Ta-da! No. Let's see here. Oh, that's what it is. To be honest with you, I forgot what it was. That's not good either. I know I had something coming in the mail. Yes, this is a Pamp. I think this is the newest one. It's got the Veri Scan on it, which is pretty cool. So this is the Pamp 5-gram gold bar. It's got the Lady of Fortune on there, Swiss made. Nice, kind of like a shiny assay card there, looking really sharp. 4.9 fine. Gotta love that. Love seeing that. 5 grams. Check out those hallmarks on the back of there. Very nice. Serialized. You got Pamp logo at the top. Susie 5G fine gold 999.9. Pamp Susie in the serialized number there. Very nice. Very, very nice. From Switzerland. Wow. So yeah, this is going to be one of the newer bars that they have out available right now. And wow, look at that shine. This camera does not do it justice, because I'm over here looking from this angle, kind of over, and it's blinded me. See if we can get a little bit better of a close-up. All right. Very nice. Very nice. So yes, we will be testing that Veri Scan out. I think you gotta have a app, I believe, and you can conveniently just scan it, and it'll tell you. The thickness looks right. Doesn't look too thick. I think this is authentic. It feels, feels about right. Feels like my let's see, I've got 2 more 5 grammers. It's Perth mint and another Pamp. So this is going to be awesome to throw into the collection. You know what? Hang on one moment. Let me go get those other bars. Let's get a shot of all of them, because that's going to look good. So hang on real quick. Alrighty, we're back. That took a lot longer than it appeared to be, you know. That's the magics of video editing. But okay, we got the old newest Pamp. And yesterday, I don't know if you checked out the video, we got this 2013 Pamp Lunar year. Very nice bar. Very well hallmarked. Got the snake on it. Love that one. And the very first 5-gram bar that I received was this one. This is the Perth Mint Australia 4.9 fine serialized. Well, actually, no. Watch what I'm saying here. This is not a serialized bar. I didn't like that about that one. It's got the serial number on the card, but it doesn't have it on the bar. That's okay. It's authentic. All of them are authentic. I got all these from a reputable dealer, so there's no No confusion, no wonders. I trust them, but you know what? I'd still take a close look at them, but they all look like they check out to me. They're wow, they're beautiful. That's like amazing looking. I know. Well, some people like checking out others' gold, but I like watching a lot of people's different collections and stuff. It's just really interesting. And I'll tell you what, this right here makes them pop. Like, let me get this light here. See if we can't do something here and make them look. Woo! Let's get this garbage out of the way. Ping! There we go. Wow. Look at those. Everybody, take a looky. Nice. Very happy with those. I have to shut this light off. Yeah, it messes with our camera a little bit, but I think it's going to end the video anyway. So, yeah, we got 5, 10, and 15 grams right there total in the 5-gram variety bars. Love it, love it, love it. Glad to add these with my 1-ounce bar. They're all going to look really good together. So I think that's going to wrap the video up there. Dalton's Garage signing out until next time. Again, appreciate it if you would hit the thumbs up button if you found the video interesting, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content alike. So without further ado, Dalton's Garage signing out until next time. Happy prospecting, happy treasure hunting, and happy silver and gold stacking. We'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.